Day 1, one tiny seed. This decides everything. Underground, the seed swells. Water triggers germination. Silent progress begins. Day 7, the first sprout emerges. Life officially begins. These aren't seed leaves. True leaves start photosynthesis. Real growth starts now. Leaves need nitrogen. It builds chlorophyll. Green growth depends on it. Roots need room. Cramped pots stunt growth. Bigger container, bigger future. Stems stretch. Fast now. Sunlight drives this stretch. Chase the light. Heavy stems need support. Staking prevents breaking. Protects fragile new growth. First flowers appear. This means fruit is coming. Everything shifts now. Flowers need potassium now. Nitrogen slows. Potassium fuels blooms and fruit. No pollination, no fruit. Bees do the work, or gentle handshaking helps. The flower fades. A tiny fruit appears. This is fruit set. Uneven watering blocks calcium uptake. This causes blossom and rot. Stay consistent. Water deeply. Same time daily. Consistency prevents cracking and rot. Fruit swells fast now. Sugars and water fill each cell. Remove suckers below flowers. This redirects energy. Bigger fruit, not leaves. Lycopene builds now. Green fades. Red signals ripeness approaching fast. Almost there. Sugar content peaks. Flavor develops in these final days. Day 90. Harvest day. 90 days of science just paid off. Your tomatoes are ready. But growing wasn't the hard part. Click now, learn to prune and cook them right.